Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Josh Smith here, aka the Dadtreprenewer. And for those of you who don't know who I am, first of all, I just want to say welcome. Second of all, I want to let you know a little bit about my credentials and why I am going to be the perfect person to help you navigate your online journey. You're taking your business online, whether it's affiliate marketing, whether you have a brick and mortar store that you're looking to move online. I'm going to show you exactly why you should listen to what I did. So a little bit more about my background. I'm a full-time dad, full-time husband, full-time entrepreneur, and a full-time employee. But yet I've still found a way to manage all of that and launch an online business that in just 20 days completely replaced my full-time income. And here's a little bit more, just so you guys can see what we got on the screen right now. Let me move this over real quick. I'm gonna go hide over here for just a second so you can see. This is actually the back end of my Legendary office, back office. Legendary Marketer, for those of you that don't know, it's one of the affiliate programs that I promote. It's how I got my start. They're 15-day challenges where I recommend everybody to get their start. But today what I want to show you guys is that I want to teach you guys for free. And I want to show you exactly how you can start with affiliate marketing or bringing your business online by utilizing a TikTok channel and a simple sales funnel and affiliate offer. I'm going to show you guys exactly how I did it. I'm going to walk you through step by step. So here we go. This is just to show you guys that a little bit of proof that I know what I'm talking about here. So I started around June 1st. I really committed, really went all in with affiliate marketing in this crazy digital online space. Started putting a ton of effort into a TikTok channel and really committed to helping other people. And as you can see, so far in Legendary, I've been able to do over $10,000 worth of commissions and brought in over 151 customers. And here's what's important with that, guys. It's not about the dollar amount. It's not about the money, but this is the key to long-term success. And this is the first piece of real value I'm going to give you guys. That number of customers, that is what it should be all about. The money is great, but you need to be first and foremost helping other people. And let me say that again. You need to be helping other people. Don't miss that. I'm going to say it one more time. The goal is to help other people. If you're genuinely serving and genuinely helping, you're going to create an audience. You're going to create a following, and the money's going to be a byproduct of how many people you've been serving. So that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm committed to today. I want to show you guys exactly how to do this for free. Like I'm not paying, you guys don't have to pay me for this information. I'm going to walk you through. This is going to be stuff that you could go off and buy in another course in and of itself and pay hundreds, if not thousands of dollars for it. I'm giving it away to you for free. So stick around. You guys are going to love this one. A little bit more proof, like as you can see, the end of May here in the start of June is when I started with this program specifically. Done about $6,000 worth of commissions. As you can see, I haven't really promoted it at all except in June. And again, that's about 16,000 worth of commissions right there. And then I've got actually my own sales funnel over here as well. As you can see, about 1,700 in sales there. So anyway, let's get out of all of this right now. I'm going to go full screen. I just wanted to show you guys the proof so that you'll stick around. You'll understand that I know what I'm talking about, and I'm a great person to learn from, because look, like I'm literally sitting at my kitchen table. I'm not one of those YouTubers who's got a ring light and making all this stuff look professional and doing edits. I'm not going to edit this video at all. Like, that's my promise to you. I got like this stupid orange light coming on me. It looks terrible, but you know what? If you stick around, you understand what's going on, you implement these strategies, and you take action, you are going to learn. So here's how I did it, right? And like I said, it requires three things that you need for this strategy to be successful, for you to start affiliate marketing with whatever. It doesn't matter what your industry is, what your niche is, what products or services you have. Like, this method is gonna be applicable, and you're gonna have success if you take action. So the first step to this, right, is, like I said before, it's all about having a TikTok channel, having a sales funnel, and having the right affiliate offer. So and we'll kind of reverse engineer this here a little bit. When you are selecting an affiliate offer, right? Like I said, it doesn't matter what your niche is. The main thing I want you guys to understand with this is do something that applies to your own life. So like if you're like a channel like me, helping busy parents create a legacy of health and freedom for their lives, health, wealth, freedom, like you're going to be talking about obviously ways to stay healthy, ways to stay active, and ways to create that financial freedom in your life, which is obviously escaping the 9-to-5 through business. And that's where I'm really focused right now. That's where I'm focused in my own life. So I'm constantly learning about these things and I share it with you guys. So that's where you're going to want to start. Use something that's applicable in your own life. If you want to get into online business, if you want to understand more how affiliate marketing works, get with an affiliate marketing program, learn from them, take action on what they're teaching you, and then promote their product. And that's kind of what I've done with Legendary. Like I invested, I went all in with the Legendary program. I did their 15-day challenge. It walked me through exactly step by step how to become an affiliate, how to do affiliate marketing, how to start an online business. And I did it. And so now what better thing to do than, I don't want to spend all the time to create my own product or service right now. I don't want to hire people. I don't have the time to do that as a full-time dad, full-time entrepreneur, full-time employee. Like I don't have time to do all that. So right now affiliate marketing is the easiest way for me to do it because it's so low barrier to entry. Like you don't need all that stuff that I just listed. And I believe it's an amazing way for other people like yourselves to get started. So here's a strategy. You have that program, right? It goes along with your niche. It goes along with what you like. And we're doing money, for example. We're doing online business, for example, here. And specifically, I'll share with you exactly how I did it. So I invested in Legendary Marketer. I learned from them. And then from there, we'll go back to the beginning. We'll reverse engineer this. We'll keep reverse engineering this. Stay with me. We've got the affiliate offer now, right? That's step 3. But we're starting with it. I know that doesn't make sense, but it will. So we've got the Legendary Marketer program, right? We're learning from them. We're understanding, we're implementing, we're taking action. And now we have their 15-day challenge to promote. They teach you how to build sales funnels and run an online business. They even give you the funnel that you need to promote their product or to promote any ClickBank product, JVZoo. They give you all of that. So now you have your sales funnel. You've been learning about sales funnels. You understand how to use it, how to implement it. Now you go and you get on TikTok. And for those of you that are scared right now, I got to dance. What? I got to do all that? No, absolutely not. You do not have to. I built 2 channels now. I've got one at 75,000 followers. I've got one that I actually built and sold that had 30,000 followers in the fitness niche. I have another one right now that I'm currently blowing up. I've been at it for about 2 weeks seriously with this account. And I think yesterday I had 3,800 followers to start the day, and I'm at like 5,500 right now. It's starting to take off. It's starting to blow up. And the reason I say TikTok is for any successful business, you need traffic, right? You need eyeballs on that product. You need eyeballs on yourself, on your business. And so TikTok right now is the best platform for organic traffic. Like you don't have to run paid ads. You don't have to spend a fortune on learning Facebook ads, on learning this stuff. You literally pick what you want to do, go on TikTok. You don't even have to show your face. Just start making content that's related towards that. So like my main thing on TikTok, I teach people how to grow TikTok channels and how to grow successful businesses using TikTok. Basically organic marketing, right? That's what I teach on TikTok. And I have the opportunity to get in front of people to drive traffic to my sales funnel, which takes them to Legendary. And so I work with these people. I give them valuable content on TikTok. They build trust with me. We build rapport. And then I say, hey, if you're interested, or they ask me, hey, I want to learn how to start an online business. Show me. I'm like, perfect. Legendary helped me launch. They have this amazing 15-day challenge. Here it is. And now I've gone from being nothing, nobody, to literally making a few pieces of content, getting some eyeballs on it, to people asking me questions. And so now, as you can see, TikTok is driving that traffic. So then what you're going to do, they're going to go down this sales funnel. You're going to collect their email address. Then they're going to be taken to a sales page for Legendary. So now what happens is you hand them over to Legendary and you let the affiliate program, doesn't have to be Legendary, whatever it is, we're just using them for an example. Whatever the affiliate program is, obviously if they're a big time affiliate program, they've got a great sales team. They've got people that they pay to write copy. Like, just hand them over to the experts and let the experts do the work, right? And then you just be there to support. You be there to add bonuses. You be there to add value through YouTube videos, through TikTok, like everything that I'm doing right now. So that's kind of the process on how you do it. And here's a little bit more on why it works and how to really execute it. So, okay, you've got your sales funnel, you've got your affiliate program, you're posting on TikTok. Now here's what you're going to do. And here's my favorite part about all of this. People always say, well, how do you continually come up with content? How do you drive traffic to your page? How do you get more eyeballs on it? And this is what you do. You literally learn something new every single day that is geared towards your niche. Whether you take 5 minutes to read an article, whether you get an email from somebody who's already successful in that niche and they're giving you a new strategy, you take 20 minutes to watch a YouTube video, whatever it is, learn something new every single day, and then base your content on TikTok off of that. So for an example, like you say you learned something about email marketing today. You get a who's a great email marketer that I'm trying to think of right now? Fred Lamb. He's or Onyx and Gall. Those guys are great email marketers. You get an email from them and they've got 5 steps on how to amplify your email list and create more conversions. Like, you're like, okay, great. This is awesome. This is organic marketing. This goes along with what I'm teaching everybody. I loved it. Now let me put my own spin, my own flavor on this, make it unique to me and share it with my audience. And now you could get 5 pieces of content from that one piece of content that you just learned because it's 5 steps, right? Or you could turn it into a 2-parted video where you do 3 steps here and say, tune in for part 2 and then give part 2 later. Or you do 1 long video. Like, that's how you continually come up with ideas. And that's how you become an expert in whatever field or whatever industry you're in, is you're constantly learning, you're getting eyeballs to your page, and then you're teaching people on your page essentially just the things you're learning. And as long as you're always learning, people are going to see you as an expert. It's going to build trust. It's going to build rapport. And then they're going to ask you for recommendations. And then this is how you do it without selling anything to anybody. Because as an affiliate marketer, a lot of times you can get a bad rep as a salesy or spammy type of person. And that's not the way I'm teaching it. You're literally genuinely adding value and teaching people significant skills every single day as you learn them and as you implement them into your own life. You're helping other people. And a byproduct of that is you're going to build trust with them. They're going to believe in you, and you're learning new things, obviously, from the training that you're taking. You're sharing stuff, and they want to learn from you. They really do. And so all it is you're connecting somebody from where they want to be, or from, they have an issue, they have a problem, they want to learn online marketing, they want to learn how to run a business online, they're not sure where to start, they need coaching, they need a mentor. You bridge the gap, you connect them now to this product, and then you get paid a commission on it. So that's, at its simplest form, that is the way I did it. That is the way I ran my business. And it's literally through a TikTok channel, a sales funnel, and an affiliate offer. It's the simplest way to do it right now. Obviously, there's going to be more to come. Hopefully, this video was educational for you guys. Hopefully, it's something that spurs you on to take action and create momentum in your own life and start your own online business or your affiliate marketing journey, and just start taking action every single day, and you'll start to see it add up, and it will add up to massive results over time, as you could see from everything I showed you in the beginning. So again, I hope that made sense, guys. I really appreciate your time. Stick around. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, go ahead, do me a favor, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification so you don't miss any videos. We're going to be dropping a ton of content lately, again, we're back at it. I'm refreshed, remotivated, and I'm here to serve you guys. So thank you so much, everybody who's been around. Thank you to anybody new who's seeing this. You guys are awesome. I'm out of here.